Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
Between the three of us, it was never an issue. So, the fact na naging malaking issue siya sa ibang tao or sa public, parang, well, unavoidable naman talaga. So, yun lang.
Paano
Tinawag
tinake
ka kasing
yun?
malandi. Sige.
Oo, well,
Masasabi ko
hurtful, yes, but I don't know them personally. They don't know me personally, so I don't let it affect me. And yun, like I said, our relationship between the three of us has always been that way. So there's really no other way it should have been taken. Pero nga, hindi naman kasi nila alam talaga kung paano yung
Naiyak
dynamics.
ka, Jazz?
No, actually hindi talaga ako affected sa issue. More than anything, siguro parang kini-question ko lang paano naging ganun yung isip ng mga tao. But
Kay Erwan, ano naging impact sa kanya bilang...
wala, natawa lang din siya. Si ate, natawa lang din. Alam mo yun, kasi yun na nga, people didn't understand the dynamics of what actually happened. And with a screenshot, not the entire video taken, it can be interpreted in so many ways. So I can't blame people for
Naging
doing that.
conscious ka ba after that?
No.
Kung ano ipopost mo? Kung ano?
I've always been conscious. I'm not playing it safe. I don't have to worry about what people think because I know naman that I'm not doing anything.
Last na lang, yung mother mo nag-comment na sana tigilan na kasi
Oo, syempre, as a mother, you'll be hurt for your daughters. And ma-hurt ka rin kasi alam niya naman kung paano niya ako pinalaki. Alam niya kung gaano akong klaseng bata. So, syempre, kung ako din naman siguro nanay, kahit ate ko nga na-affect sa mga ganun pagka pinagsasabihan ako ng masasakit na salita, what more nanay ko pa? Diba? Syempre, magiging defensive ang mama ko kasi mahal niya ako. She wants to step in. She wants to show people, anak ko yan, wag niyong ano. Likewise naman, as a daughter, if anyone did that to my mom, I would step in. But,
Yung showing strength, just kahit bago ka pa rin naman sa showbiz kung tutuusin mo. Pero ang dami mo na rin naging issue, di ba? Pero yung showing strength, paano mo nagagawa?
siguro, like I said kanina, nagawa kong i-separate yung personal sa work. So, these are people making my work personal.
Okay, last question.
So,
Last question. Anong feeling na? Kasi di ba, you'll be interred with Richard ngayon. When in the past, alam natin, it was Richard and
Ate.
Ann. Oo.
Wala. Like I said, professionalism lang naman yan between the both of us. So, there is no need to put malice agad on the team up that we have now.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.